Hmm. Hi guys, we are making cookies and Hammond is a building small. It's sticky. Yeah.
Ano sabi mo sa vlog?
Hi guys, sabi ba, hi guys, we are making cookies. Oh no, it's sticky. Ganyan to.
Okay, so we are making cookie. What happened?
Me.
So we will check the
Mommy, may
ingredients, ha? Wait. Anong kailangan natin, Bea?
I don't know.
So, sabihin mo, kailangan natin ng 3/4 cup or 168 grams ng unsalted butter. Wala tayong 3/4 cup. Bea, paano yun? Wala tayong pang measuring cup na 3/4. Wala rin tayong weighing scale.
I don't know.
168. So, 168 grams. So, tinanong ko si best friend, si ChatGPT. Ang kailangan natin is, okay, parang 12.
I want to small.
Yeah, we need 12 tablespoon. Ang maganda dito sa Great Value, ayan may sukat na siya, tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. So, kailangan ng 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is a 100 at Walmart. I like Walmart. This favorite. I have a mommy silk attach and a dress. No, it is not there.
So, kailangan natin, anak,
Subscribe.
kailangan nating i-burn tong butter.
Yeah, bar.
We need
How about this bar? Donkey.
butter. O, lulutuin natin tong butter, ha? Pag naluto na yung butter,
And
at
now,
mapula-pula na siya, pwede na.
I like bar.
You like butter? Oh, you papak na this. Oh, I will cook na here.
I'm cooking. Mommy, I want to cooking. Cook. The man everything. Let's try this.
Inaan natin baka masunog.
Okay.
You cook na, you cook.
I go in the left or right? You want to left or right? Mommy. I love it. I love cookies.
Ito, anak, pala na siya.
Okay, Bella.
Oh, slowly lang, ha? So, while waiting,
Yeah, it's only making. Water making. Tastes like cookies.
so what's the next?
Whoa, be careful, mommy.
We need, anak, light brown sugar, 1 cup.
Okay.
1 cup of light brown sugar.
Mommy, I want to
Ano pa ng brown sugar? Wait, tumo ka lang.
This is a brown sugar to get. This is on my favorite. I know, mommy. You have the brown sugar.
Yeah, I have a brown sugar.
I don't. We have a brown sugar. We have a brown.
Yeah, that's also brown sugar.
I know
We need
you
1 cup.
Mommy.
Oh, we need 1 cup, not like this.
Okay. Here, mommy. Baya na.
Oh,
Baya.
baya na, oh, baya na.
Unti lang baya mo.
I will help you. You hold here.
Okay.
Para sakto, no? That is
Yeah.
1 cup.
Yeah.
Mm. Ang daming sugar. Tataba si Bea. Mm. Mm. Tingin ako. Hold.
Hold now.
Wait lang.
We did it, mommy. We did it. We covered it.
Oh yeah, 1 cup.
Oh no, we
It's
have
okay, it's okay lang. Oh, you put it there now, 1 cup.
Where?
Here.
Here, dito?
Yes.
Dito?
Yes, correct.
Dito?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, so next, we need 1/4 cup or 50 grams. Granulated
I
sugar.
want to eat, please. Oh,
Wait.
really cook.
So, syempre, di ba, favorite natin si Great Value
Mommy.
from Walmart.
Let's go. Mommy, I hold it.
We need 1/4 cup.
Okay.
Teka lang si Mami malabo mata. Just wait a minute. 1/4 cup lang. Oh, yan, anak. 1/4 cup.
Okay.
I will help you.
Okay, mommy. Okay.
Oh, yan. Put lang na, put. Next, we need 1 large egg plus 1 large egg yolk. So your vlog muna, while waiting for mommy.
Is that attacking mommy? Wait. I know it's an egg. It's an egg.
Borrow your cup, I'm gonna put the egg muna.
It's okay, mommy. It's okay, mommy. Borrow, mommy lang. Borrow. It's okay.
Oh. One
I want.
egg. Oh, wait lang. Ikat mo Okay, lagyan mo dito yung one egg.
Okay.
You put it here na.
Dito?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we need one egg yolk.
Uh,
Yung egg yolk, yung yellow lang, anak.
Yellow lang.
Yeah. I'm gonna separate the white. Wait, anak. Wait, anak. Oh, you put it na. Good job. So, what's the next?
I want to eat this, mommy.
This one. Okay, you can eat while waiting for me.
Okay.
So, what's the next ingredients? Okay, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, anak. Diyos ko, yung vlogger nagutom agad. Anak, kailangan daw natin ito, anak. Vanilla. Wala tayong yung totoong vanilla. Yung mahal yung ito na lang. Ano, okay na to. Pwede na to. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Hold. Hold, baby, hold. Straight. Straight, okay? Ito daw ang magpapasarap. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Go.
Saan yan, Kai?
Here.
Ulit.
Next, what's the next, baby? Kailangan natin ng 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Baking soda? Ano baking soda? What's my baking soda? Wait. Okay, here we go.
Mom, no sad.
Why? Why are you sad? Ako nga pala ibibinibake. Paano?
I know.
Yeah, right. So, ang kailangan daw natin, pentahin na lang natin, wala rin tayong 3/4 ano?
Mami, pwede.
Kasi bakit 3/4 cup? 3/4 teaspoon.
Mami, ikot pa, Bea.
Wala. Okay. So, what you can do is, you're gonna put
Mami, just by
One.
spoon.
2/3. Wait, anak. 1. Tsaka wait, anak. Wait, no, anak, no, wait, anak, wait. And a little lang, a little.
One lang. Bea.
Like a little.
Bea.
Like this, oh.
Okay.
Thank you for helping me.
Mom, now just cake.
Wait, yeah, you can halo. Mix it.
Mix that,
Yeah,
mix
yes,
that,
yes.
mix that.
Anong susunod? Anong sunod natin sa ating listahan?
Na.
Yeah, I need 3/4 on the dentist. Okay. We need yala. I will make tansya na lang din kasi I don't know 3/4. Nako. Yes, teaspoon. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Yes. Saan ito galing? Where did you get it? Kaya huwag mo muna haluin. Saglit lang ha. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Kulang pa. What's the next ingredients? Oh, that's it. Aray! Cedros. Okay, kailangan natin ng all-purpose flour. 1 cup and 3/4 cup. Mami, o diba? Ganito talaga yung reality. Habang nagbe-bake ka, nagluluto. May, makukulit na bata. So, siyempre, sponsor tayo ng Great Value. Great Value na naman.
So big!
Yeah, sponsor tayo ng sponsor natin ng Great Value. Huwag mo mga haluin na natin.
Relating?
Yeah, hindi kasi pwede mong over-mix. Okay, you mix it and then I'm gonna put it. Ano na, the next ingredient, which is the all-purpose flour. Where's the ating measuring cup, baby? Ayan, so habang nagagawa tayo, by the way guys ha, sinusunog ko ang butter. Ito daw kasi yung magpapasarap.
I eating overtime. Mommy,
You're eating overtime? What do you mean?
is this one? This one is my favorite color. How about chocolate?
Uy, we forgot something. Paglagay na pala tayo ng granulated. Yeah, we do granulated sugar. 1 cup and 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup.
Check. Bella.
Okay na. Kompleto na yan, anak. You have to mix, ha?
Okay, mix.
You use this one.
Oh, my favorite color! Guys, you know
Wait lang, we're gonna wait for, wait mo muna mag-mix. Wait lang, baby. Wait natin si butter. Si butter na kailangan masunog. Kailangan,
Mommy, no! This is today.
What do you mean, today?
This is my today, my birthday cake, and I love yan today, and no.
Wait mo muna itong butter natin. Kasi yung butter natin, sinusunog pa natin, na. Pwede naman natin laksan, di ba?
Mom, naman to halo.
Wait muna, anak. Bawal muna, anak. Tagal nga masunog, girl, eh. Wag muna. Dapat pala hindi mo muna natin nilagay. Ito.
Bayan
Wait lang, anak. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Are you sure? It's just only one. 1 and 1/4 cup. Tapos mamaya lagyan natin yung chocolate.
Oh, my favorite chocolate.
Yeah, there's a chocolate.
Mommy, I know. It's only this.
Multitasking tayo. Nagbe-bake pa ako ng butter mochi. Naku, mamaya na, anak. Mamaya mo na haluin, ah. Wala pa tayong butter. Dapat pala hindi muna natin inilagay ang egg.
Bayan na.
Mamaya na. Kailangan sunog daw yung butter, tapos papalamigin pa natin. So, nagkamali tayo, nak, ng procedure natin. Kailangan pala, sinunog muna natin yung butter bago tayo nag-umpisa, no?
Yeah.
But it's okay.
It's so stuck. Blah.
Yeah, it's stuck.
We are
It's okay, we're
stuck.
gonna put the butter later. It's okay lang yun.
Bayan na-check may bar na shopping baya sa 100 bar. It's okay. Alagay ba yan sa
Bea, saan mo na gustong tumira? Dito sa Amerika o sa Halayhay?
America.
Bakit? Gusto mo na ditong tumira?
Yeah, I have a favorite by Walmart. I miss na by Walmart, Mommy. Ayaw na ba yan live na America? And I want to be in America or just to mama na ayaw America or just to be America.
Ang gulo mo naman. Gusto mo Amerika o ayaw mo sa Amerika?
Eh, hindi ba yan na ayaw ma dito man? Ayaw ma America or just to malayhay. In America, at favorite ba yan? Or Mommy man, just to layhay. Ito.
Ano yan, anak?
I know! Hey, Mommy, please, I wanna going down.
Ayaw mo na?
Because I have something else I make it. I have a bili my mommy. So nabili tabi mommy.
Ha?
Nabili mommy yan to cake ba ya?
Kausapin mo muna yung sa vlog mo. Magkwento ka. Ay, no! Oh,
And nahulog man everything dito. And nanyan to bella.
Everything again.
May dapat na taas na to. And nanyan to bli kamay. Smells good.
Huwag, hindi pwede siyang ma-overmix, anak, ha? Bawal ma-overmix.
Makes it. Hindi nahalo lang ba? Hindi ba manadami yung makes it. Yan to.
Ayan, susunog na yung butter natin, pero papalamigin pa natin. So, paano para mabilis? Lagyan natin sa cold water. Para mabilis lumamig. Oh, luto na yung ano, while wait. Pa, hindi na i-play.
Yeah, it's not latte set.
Hindi na i-play. Oh my God.
No, Mommy.
One, two. Ayan. Ako pala masyadong ano yan. Tinuso ko na lang ang mga cookie. One, two, three. Ayan. So guys, nilagay ko muna dito. Tapos i-freezer natin. Or i-rep ko. Tapos bukas ko na i-bake. Kasi mas masarap daw kung, yun nga, i-rest mo muna siya. Okay na. So, na-rest na natin sa freezer magdamag. So, i-cook na natin. O, lagay dito, lagay. Here. Set, no car. O, lagay dyan, lagay. Help, mami, help.
I stuck.
It's stuck. That's
I
it.
stuck, Mom.
Pretty Cedros. Anak, wait lang.
How about this?
Ay, bilet. Wait lang, saglit. Set. O, one. Okay muna, one.
One,
O, two.
two,
O, three. Hindi na, wait.
four,
Teka lang, disaster. Teka lang, ilalay natin. One. O, two. Three. Kasi lalapad pa yan, anak. Lalapad.
Mommy, I want to try now.
Hindi pa, ibig kukok pa. We're going to cook pa.
No, Mom.
Hindi pa ito luto.
Superhero pa.
Super hinaw pa. Hindi pa luto. Ako, wala kami. Huwag na kayong sumama sa vlog. Mahirap.
Mommy, I want to.
Oh, yan na.
Do.
O, ha? Siguro magkakala yung ganyan. Okay na siguro yan, no? O, game na. Another one. O, another plate. O, do not touch. No touching.
No. No, the Joey.
O, no touching.
The Joey. No.
Hindi mag-aaway. Ng bata. Siguro luto. Okay, better. Much better.
It's all done, Mommy. Mommy, tanggal mo.
So, we'll wait for the cookie kasi it's still hot.
Okay, Mommy, hi guys. Yeah, Mommy, done the cookies. And I'm so excited. And how about little chocolate and so bored.
It's still hot pa, anak. It's still
Mommy, I
hot.
want to try chocolate, man.
Hot pa, anak. Hot pa. Wait pa natin, ha?
It's just too
Mag-cool
yummy.
down.
It's just too yummy. It's okay, Mommy.
Still hot.
It's,
Just wait.
it's okay, yummy, see, Raman.
It's okay.
Yay!
Try na. Guys, look at this. Look at the cookies.
Coming.
What can
Oh,
you say?
ma-joke lang ni Tabea dan yan. Joke lang, mami, man my
May bata
cookies.
nag-aabang ng cookies.
Wow! Oh, wow, really?
You touch it? It's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. You want to eat cookies?
Me.
Just wait because it's still hot. We need to wait to cool down.
No. Wow. These are cute.
Said was cute?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're cute?
Yeah.
Sino may sabi?
Oh, are you there?
Oh, Alita? Are you excited?
Look around your car.
Oh, there's a car. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Oh, car. Oh,
Favorite
yeah.
mo yung car? It's your favorite?
Yeah, baby car.
Ah, the Hot Wheels.
Yeah, what do you?
How about the cookies? Do you like cookies or do you like car?
Yeah, car. I think.
Car pa rin?
No, car.
Car and cookies.
Car Kiki.
Yeah. Say hi. Ganyan talaga. So, let's try. Sarap. Masarap. Hindi siya masyadong tamis. Daya. It. Yummy. Ate. Cookies.
Smile.
Cookies. Yeah, cookies. Yeah. What can you say about this? Yummy? Oh. So you want mommy to bake more?
Mommy.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sarap. Nadumihan pa.
It's okay
Sarap.
lang.
Sarap na tatsurit, no? Hindi matamis. So, sarap. Masarap siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tapos, ang ginamit ko dark chocolate. Ang sarap niya, promise. Akala ko papalpak ako kasi sobrang nasunog ko yung butter. Pero okay siya, sarap. Amoy pa lang ang bango-bango na, ang sarap-sarap na. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko, hindi siya masyadong matamis. Ganito sana yung mga cookies. Nako, hindi na ako bibili ng cookies sa labas. Gagawin ko na ng mga bata. Masarap. I love it. Tignan mo naman ang cookies ko.
Sarap ah. Totoo. Parang may gata.
What?
Parang may gata siya.
Sinunog ko lang yung butter. Pabaya, takbo! Baya! What can you say about my cookies?
You make your best cookie ever.
Yeah?
I like the chocolate cookies black.